Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are tackling a critical issue where Valorant fails to launch from the Riot client, resulting in an infinite loop. We at Teknobalta analyze this specific behavior where the play button triggers a preparing download message, but never actually starts the game. This technical glitch is usually indicative of a synchronization failure between the Riot client and the game manifest files. When the client cannot verify the integrity of the local files, it reverts to the update state, creating a loop. Before we dive into the deep fixes, let us perform a root cause analysis of your system environment. Step 1 involves a complete termination of all Riot-related processes to clear the temporary memory cache. Open your task manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape simultaneously. Locate every instance of the Riot client, Valorant, and the Vanguard tray notification. Right-click each one and select End Task to ensure no background hooks are preventing a fresh launch. We at Teknobalta recommend checking the VGC service, which is the backbone of the kernel-level anti-cheat. Press the Windows key and R, then type services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down until you find the VGC service in the alphabetical list. Ensure the startup type is set to automatic and that the service is currently running. If it is stopped, right-click and select Start to reinitialize the anti-cheat handshake. Now, let us address the administrative privileges, which often cause write errors during the preparing download phase. Navigate to the installation folder of the Riot client on your C drive. Right-click on the Riot client executable and select Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Apply the changes and click OK to ensure the client has full disk access. If the loop persists, we must clear the local configuration cache, which might be holding corrupted data. Press Windows and R again, then type %localappdata% and press Enter. Locate the folder named Riot Games and open it to find the configuration files. We at Teknobalta suggest deleting the folder named Riot Client to force the application to rebuild its settings. Do not worry, this will not delete your game files, only the temporary client configurations. Now, let us look at the solution confirmed by the community, a clean reinstallation. Sometimes, file corruption is so deep within the game archives that a simple repair tool cannot fix it. Go to the Control panel and select Uninstall a program to begin the removal process. Find Valorant in the list and select Uninstall. After Valorant is removed, you must also uninstall Riot Vanguard separately. This is a crucial step because Vanguard drivers can remain active even after the game is gone. Once both are uninstalled, restart your CPU to clear the kernel drivers from the system memory. After the reboot, download the latest installer from the official Riot Games website. Run the installer as an administrator to ensure a smooth setup process. Choose your preferred installation path, ideally on an SSD for optimal loading speeds. While the game is downloading, we should verify your network configuration. A fluctuating DNS can sometimes interrupt the manifest download, causing the loop. Open the command prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD in the Start menu. Type 1pconfig/flush DNS and press Enter to clear your resolver cache. This ensures your connection to the Riot servers is fresh and direct. We at Teknobalta also recommend using a stable DNS like Google or Cloudflare. Set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary to 8.8.4.4. Now, let us discuss the importance of keeping your GPU drivers up to date. Outdated display drivers can cause the Riot client to crash during the transition to the game engine. If you use an NVIDIA card, open GEFORCE Experience and check for updates. For AMD users, use the Adrenaline software to ensure your RADEON drivers are current. We at Teknobalta have observed that Windows updates also play a role in Vanguard decompatibility. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click Check for updates. Ensure that you are running at least version 20H2 or higher for maximum stability. If you are on a laptop, make sure your power plan is set to high performance. This prevents the CPU from throttling, which can interfere with the anti-cheat initialization. Let us return to the Riot client once the installation is complete. Log in with your credentials and wait for the initial Vanguard update to finish. You will likely be prompted to restart your computer one more time. Do not skip this restart, as it is mandatory for the kernel driver to load correctly. After the final reboot, launch the Riot client and click the play button. The infinite loop should now be resolved, and the game should initialize the full screen engine. If you still encounter issues, we at Teknobalta suggest checking your firewall settings. Ensure that both Valorant and the Riot client are allowed through the Windows Defender firewall. Sometimes, third-party antivirus software can flag Vanguard as a false positive. Add the entire Riot Games folder to your antivirus exclusion list to prevent interference. This technical approach ensures that no external software blocks the game execution. We at Teknobalta also recommend disabling any OSD software like MSI Afterburner temporarily. Overlays can sometimes conflict with the way Valorant hooks into the display buffer. Once the game launches successfully, you can try re-enabling them one by one. Let us review the steps we have taken to ensure complete technical coverage. We started by clearing background processes and checking the VGC service status. We then applied administrative privileges and cleared the local app data cache. The core solution was a clean reinstallation of both the game and the anti-cheat. We also optimized the network via DNS fleshing and updated the system drivers. This comprehensive method addresses every possible failure point in the launch sequence. Remember that Valorant is a highly sensitive game due to its kernel-level security requirements. Any minor corruption in the system files can lead to the launch loop you experienced. We at Teknobalta always emphasize the importance of a clean system environment for gaming. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it as it can cause authentication mismatches. Regional locks or latency spikes during the handshake can trigger the preparing download loop. Ensure your system clock is synchronized with the internet time. An incorrect system date can cause SSL certificate errors with the Riot servers. Go to Date and Time settings and click Sync now to be certain. These small details are what we at Teknobalta focus on to provide world-class solutions. For advanced users, checking the Riot client logs can provide specific error codes. These logs are located in the local app data folder under Riot Games, Riot Client, and Logs. Look for keywords like critical or failed to identify the exact file causing the hang. Usually, it points to a specific manifest file that can be deleted individually. However, the clean reinstall we performed is the most reliable way to fix all manifests. We at Teknobalta have seen this issue resolved for thousands of players using this workflow. It is important to stay patient during the reinstallation process. Do not interrupt the download or close the client while it is verifying files. Once you see the play button turn green, you are ready to enter the battlefield. We at Teknobalta are committed to solving your technical hurdles with precision. Always ensure your hardware is running within safe temperature limits while gaming. High temperatures can cause microstutters that the anti-cheat might flag as suspicious. Use tools like HWinfo to keep an eye on your CPU and GPU thermals. If you have followed every step in this guide, your Valorant should be running perfectly. The infinite loop is a thing of the past thanks to these technical adjustments. We at Teknobalta analyze forum data to bring you the most effective solutions. This specific case was solved by the user through a clean reinstall, which we have expanded upon. By adding the cache clearing and service management, we made the solution even more robust. Never settle for a temporary fix when a permanent technical solution is available. We hope this deep dive into the Riot client mechanics was helpful for you. Technical troubleshooting is about understanding the why behind the how. By understanding the manifest loop, you are now better equipped to handle future errors. Keep your system lean and your drivers updated for the best Valorant experience. If you encounter any other error codes like VL43 or VL5, check our other guides. Each error has a specific technical signature that we at Teknobalta have decoded. Thank you for trusting Teknobalta with your PC troubleshooting needs. Our mission is to provide professional-grade advice to the global gaming community. Stay tuned for more technical breakdowns and hardware optimizations. Before you go, ensure your Windows game mode is turned on for better resource allocation. This helps the operating system prioritize Valorant over background tasks. We at Teknobalta are always here to help you get back into the game. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more expert technical solutions and PC maintenance tips. This is Teknobalta signing off. See you on the server.